location and climate, different types of houses. Depending, okay? And next chapter is next point is temporary house means kacha house. Temporary house means kacha house and next is permanent house. Temporary house. What is a temporary house? Like that make the mud, any raw material. So is the temporary house made by temporary house. And any permanent house like made of cement, brick, iron, steel, etc. is the use the temporary house. So in this chapter I start the chapter. Understood? So let us start.
So student, let's discuss types of houses, bungalows and different between bungalows and flats. Okay, difference between bungalow and multi-stories building. So this pages I discussed. So let us start here. People living in different types of houses depending on location and climate of that place. The earlier man lived in caves. He ate the flesh of animals or fruits and roots of plants. Over a long period of time, the hunter and the food gatherer became the fruit producer. He started living in small huts. Close to his crops. Even now, many people live in huts in villages. The huts are made of bamboos, straw, dry leaves and mud. They are known as kacha houses or temporary houses. They called us made the bamboo, straw, dry leaves and mud. So called us kacha houses or temporary houses. As they are not very strong, they start leaking in the rainy season. Strong winds can also damage them. So is the temporary house. Huts can also be found in saloons in cities. They are made of bricks, tin or polythene sheets. So look at the pictures. The slum in a city. So look at the picture. So many huts and made of brick, tin or polythene sheets. So this type of houses the slum in a cities. These days most villagers live in pakka houses or permanent houses. They are made of bricks, marble, stone, cement and timber. A very big village house is called a haveli. Look at this picture. This is haveli. Mountains generally receive heavy rain and snowfall. The houses in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are made with sloping roofs or so that rainwater and stone can slide down easily. Look at this picture. This house is Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and made with sloping roofs. Do you know in hilly areas most houses have fireplace to burn logs It keeps the house warm. Still houses are made in those areas where floods are very common in Meghalaya and Assam. The water drains away easily through the still outside, damaging the house. Look at this picture, the still houses. Do you know a still house has a ladder to climb up? It is removed and kept inside the houses at night for safety from thieves and wild animals.